Mr. Bithell, you too are one of the organisers of this march. Now, what evidence do you have that this is an American arms dump, and what do you think danger exists because of it?
3 weeks ago we came here to take pictures, and the pictures we took of this camp indicated that it was a US base. They have been taken down since.
Now, if it is a US base, what is the significance of this?
Well, we believe that it's part of NATO, and the whole of the armaments that were in France, of course, have been planted here, together with additions. And we feel, of course, that this is a menace.
Do you say that a nuclear device is here?
I wouldn't like to say, but I wouldn't be at all surprised.
Now, in what way is it a menace? Because of the danger of an accidental explosion, or what?
A danger not so much of that as an imperilment of the extension of war.
And you're protesting?
And we're protesting most forcibly on behalf of the people of Wales, the trade union movement, the men and women of this country of ours who have always been lovers of peace, the students and the young people, to put an end to this obvious menace to our life and heritage.
Who died so you could live? Did it? You don't celebrate it with that. That's an abomination. We're gonna bury that outlaw down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. Gonna bury that outlaw.
Well, that's it. Easter CND March in Wales is over. And it's been an entirely peaceable demonstration, apart from that one very small incident at Newport. The one thing that the marchers have left behind as they now make their way towards Bristol and what they regard as a germ warfare establishment is a souvenir of Wales and of their visit throughout Wales. Wherever they've gone, they've handed out daffodils, flower power,